Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the General Auto Insurance app. So let's get started. So to download and install the General Insurance Auto app, you have to follow this easy instruction. So if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Google Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So here you can see, if you are in iOS, open your Apple Store and search for the app, and here I will just go and search as the general insurance app. Okay, insurance app. So from here we can see the General Auto Insurance app. Just click on here, click on install, and it will work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.